You know exactly what kind of commentary videos I'm talking about, where it's outlined with yellow and it says something like, she did what on it? And they have hundreds of thousands of views and there's hundreds of thousands of them. And it is very fucking annoying. Do I like commentary videos? No. Do I watch them? No. Have I made them for views in hopes that somebody would actually watch my content? Yes, I have. Here's the thing about them, and this is why it sucks. Because commentary videos on YouTube are always going to be popular, and especially now. We are in a regurgitation era of media, and I really hope we come out of it. But YouTube does not shy away from that. It doesn't focus on new creators or these personality YouTubers that we saw back in the day, our Emma Chamberlains or Tana Mojos. Simply Nailogical. My girlfriend loves Simply Nailogical. Does my girlfriend give a fuck about nails? No! But guess what? The person behind the camera was interesting and made people interested in the things that they were creating because they themselves were interesting people. But YouTube as a platform doesn't really allow space for that anymore. And that's not really a part of the algorithm, and I don't know how much it's changed, how much it's not, if the AI thing is real, if it's, well, obviously the AI thing is real. Unfortunately, I don't know the actual changes of the algorithm. I don't think anybody actually knows them except the people at YouTube. But there's definitely been a shift in creators where I think that YouTube is just trying to get people to latch on to whatever they latch on to. I know this for a fact. YouTube cares more about the click-through rate than the view duration, which fucking sucks, because if 100 people are watching the entirety of a video, I think it must be entertaining in some way and should be pushed. I don't think YouTube should be this thing, and I think that's why people are saying, YouTube is dead, or people don't really like it as much, or shit talk it in that kind of way. I think that there has been a really sucking out of personality. It really does suck to see. I know for me, in my experience, people always tell you, if you're a new YouTuber, this might be all over the place, bear with me. If you're a new YouTuber, get a niche, do something you like, pick something like puzzles, Rubik's Cube, music, get a niche. People tell you that because it is really, really hard to be a personality YouTube, and there is a chance that your content will never get seen if you never really talk about certain things. No matter how good you are, you may never be seen. My content sat here, and I watched some of my older videos, and some of them are pretty funny, pretty entertaining videos that I would watch now. I watch them now. They give me a sense of nostalgia, but I also find them funny. And they weren't getting any views. They were getting 10 views and 20 views. And the reason my channel blew up on here is because I found success on TikTok. Now, since TikTok's algorithm throws a bunch of shit at a bunch of different people, they don't really have time to show favoritism towards certain things. I mean, sure, a little bit, but it's a bit of a lottery. It's a bit of a throw the dice, and if you do content for long enough, you will likely have a viral video. I think most people have had a video that, has at least been seen by thousands of people, which is something that I cannot say would happen on YouTube. And it sucks, because there are some really, really funny people out there. You just have to search hard and wide to find them. There are people making content that you love, that you would love. There is probably a person out there on YouTube making some funny fucking content, and it's just all of them, and it's just off the dome, and you may never fucking see them, because it is about luck, and it isn't just about if you work hard you'll get it. YouTube is not just about that. It's well in part about luck and kind of finagling your way through these big YouTube eras. We have a lot of popular creators, but the person that I can think of off dome that people watch is a personality YouTuber through and through. People will watch her spit paint on the wall, is Brittany Broski. And I can name one person that's just from the internet and is a personality. Now, I would say also Quinn Blackwell, but she's had a large history on the internet and has worked really hard to kind of back that up. She has a lot of history doing a lot of different shit and has been on the internet for so many different eras. So I think that she's a bit different. And I think people, are sick of that in a way, but also commentary videos are what do really well on YouTube. That and challenges. And I think that's why people say that is the death of YouTube. Personally, for me, I don't think it's died. A lot of times I just watch comedians on YouTube, which suck, because I just want to watch something funny, and I want to watch something entertaining, but I'm not really shown very funny people unless they're a celebrity, It's been really difficult. I don't know if I've found a new creator that I love in a while, and that really sucks, because I used to do that all the time. When I was a kid, when I was, a teenager, I would just go on YouTube and find different creators that I really liked, and I liked their personality. But I'm not interested in watching the 17th video about some random TikTok commentary or some random TikTok drama. I'm not interested at all. And I think some people are interested in it because it's kind of like porn in a way. Like, it feeds the mind. You can hate on this one thing. It's funny to watch a very embarrassing person be very embarrassing. You don't have to really rely on the YouTuber to do much, because you can just kind of sit back and say, haha, the person that they're showing me is funny or a catastrophe. Or whatever may have you. And I know there's some really good YouTubers out there, and maybe they do commentary or whatnot, but I think I want to see some new content, and I wish that I want to be pushed more new people. I don't want to just be shown the same old fucking yellow outline commentary video. I want another Jenna Marbles. I want new people. I want new content. I want splashes. I want Anthony Bourdains on this platform. And more people want to watch long span content. So I think there's definitely a group for it. I think YouTube kind of tries too hard to have like the success of a TikTok or something, when they just really need to focus on what made you guys popular in the first place. Like, I think YouTube can have the power to go on for years and years and years, but I think it has to continue showing these new people and different personalities or different creators. Like Quinta Brunson, like, she started on here. Issa Rae, she started on here. Some really good fucking creators started on here, and they've gone popular and made TV shows. And the only way we can find that is if we expand a little bit and not focus on TikTok drama. So going into this trend of things, I think that there are too many commentary videos about things that there shouldn't be commentary videos about. Not everything needs to be a 10-minute long video. Some things can just be a funny thing that you say to your friends or say on social media. But outrage has been popularized, and shock has been popularized, and I think there's definitely might be like a loneliness on social media, and you kind of just want to laugh with another person. So I'm at a weird place, because TikTok's algorithm is really, really easy to find people. I don't want to watch short form content. It rots your brain. It really does. I had TikTok for a year, and I didn't read a book for a year because I was just so connected into that. And yeah, I want to find new people on YouTube. Please, like, push. And if you have new creators, please, that personality YouTubers that they don't need a niche, they're just talking to the camera and they're very funny, please comment them. I would love to see them. Please. Thank you guys for watching. It's been me, Jamani, and bye.